Hi there, buddy. He's like, you keep them coming.
Yeah, he knows strawberries, that's for sure. I said, oh man, what the hell is this shit? I'd laugh if it spit it out. What do you got on video?
Mm-hmm. He's beautiful. Comes out real nice.
Easy, easy, baby. It's not going nowhere.
Yeah, instinct.
Nah, that ain't instinct anymore. That thing,
Oh, the instinct never goes away.
yeah, well,